Everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of School Planner. You will go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about School Planner. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.